Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Pocket Option to MetaTrader 5. So if you want to do this, we go right here to the chart, and normally you see this chart right here, the quick trade chart right there. And then what we're going to do is we go to trading and select right here the Forex MT5 demo account or real account, what you want to do. I'm trading with demo account, so I click right here on demo account, but you can also click right here on real account. It works exactly the same. Then right now what we're going to do is go here to the left, and then he automatically log in to the MetaTrader 5. If you don't have this screen immediately, you can click right here on the three lines and then go to trading accounts and then click right here on connect with your accounts. Then fill in right here your login that is standing right there, fill that in right there, and then your password. And you can find your password with clicking on the I, or just click here on copy and then paste it right here. Then we do this also for my login right there. And now we do connect, and now we just logged in to the MetaTrader 5 application with our Pocket Option account. So this is exactly how you can connect Pocket Option to MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.